Hello, cat parents! If you're looking for something that's both adorable and functional, let me tell you about this cactus cat tree I came across on Amazon. My kitty Paris absolutely loves it, and she's even taken some naps in here, especially because she feels nice and closed off in there. So it's one of her favorite spots, but the tree has so many other different ones. I love how playful it is. It's super fun, and the materials are pet friendly. They are plush fabric for coziness, and there's also the sisal wrapped posts as well that you find throughout the tree. That's where your cat is going to scratch, and mine loves those posts as well. So I like that you are going to get all of this fun in one place. It was pretty simple to put together. Look at her just laying down and having a good time. It was pretty simple to put together. The instructions were very clear. There's a ramp at the bottom, a little place for them to sneak off to at the bottom as well. And as you move up, there's more things to climb. The top is her favorite spot. I think that the levels are great. Cats love being on taller places because it gives them a greater view of the space, and she definitely just hopped on in around a day or two of having the tree. I absolutely adore it. I think it's also super fun that they add things like the bells and the little balls on two of the levels so the cats can also play with that, and that can get their attention. So I definitely recommend you guys to check this out on Amazon, and hopefully your cats love it as much as mine does.